The future of performance management is visual. Increasingly, digital signage is taking center stage when it comes to driving productivity and action wherever people are working. On the factory floor, digital signage delivers real-time performance metrics, enabling workers to track their progress and better meet their goals. But it doesn't stop there. In call centers and on sales floors, KPI screens keep employees informed about wait times, customer satisfaction scores, team performance, and more. The key to driving performance with digital signage lies in integrating your data sources, making that information visually appealing and actionable. With Poppulo's live data dashboards, a powerful collection of digital signage integrations designed to visualize enterprise data, you can display real-time metrics in a way that drives action. Whether you're trying to reduce span time, increase production, gamify sales performance, and a whole lot more, digital signage from Poppulo is your answer. Learn more about what you can do with digital signage from Poppulo.